Example 6. Write the equation y equals negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 1 in vertex form. So again, it's the same kind of problem example 6 or 7 just was a moment ago. So we have y equals negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 1. What's the first thing we do? Move the 1. So move the 1's real simple, just change the sign. So positive 1 moves over, becomes negative 1. And then negative 2x squared plus 8x stays as is. Next thing we do is we extract a. We pull whatever a is out. A is negative 2. So negative 2 parentheses, and then I'm going to write x squared. And then 8x divided by negative 2 is negative 4x. Okay? So again, this is what I divided by. That's what I pulled out. I don't care what happens to everything else. I just want to make sure this becomes 1x squared. So negative 2 being pulled out, divide by negative 2, you get positive x squared, exactly what we want. 8x divided by negative 2 makes negative 4x. It just so happens that we got this nice pretty whole number out of that too, or integer. We still have y minus 1 over here. Next we complete the square. We take half of 4, which is
2.
and we multiply it by
2
itself. So 2 times 2 is 4. So half of 4, 2. 2 squared is 4. But what we really added was positive 4 times what? Times negative 2. So we actually on this side have increased this side by a negative 8. So we have to put a negative 8 on this side. And that's the one tricky part. Well, it's positive 4 inside. It's always positive inside. You're multiplying it by whatever a is because it's inside. So negative 2 times 4 makes negative 8. We've changed that side by negative 8. We have to change this side by negative 8.
I know, but I thought since it came from that side, it would be a positive.
No, we're doing the same to both sides. We're here, Larson. X minus 3 equals 7, right? And we do plus 3 plus 3. We're doing minus 8 minus 8. Right, we're adding negative 8 to both sides. All right? All right, so on the left-hand side, I've got my y. Negative 1 minus 8 makes minus 9. On the right-hand side, I got my negative 2 outside. And I want to create a parentheses squared. And again, to factor this thing, I simply have to take whatever this is, square root, whatever this is, square root, whatever sign that is. And just like that, we're in vertex form.
I actually like these.
It's pretty simple to do. It's just a matter of getting accustomed to the little tricks that happen along the way. Be careful with those little tricks.
This one's way easier than that last.
Well, it's a little easier because you already saw one. So, once we get to vertex form, now we start investigating this structure, right? This time a is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 is less than 0, which means the graph turns like this, which means our vertex represents a maximum. This has a maximum value. Pretend that says maximum, that's not written.
Why is minimum more common than maximum?
Because positive x squared is more common in the math book because they're easier. We try to keep the problems easier for you. So positive x squared goes up, negative x squared goes down, and the negative x squareds are harder to do.
Because we have little brains?
No, not that. Just there's more chance to mess up with the negative. They want you to have more success. So, all right. What's the vertex on this one? What comma what would be the vertex?
2,
Positive 2, positive 9, right? This is negative 2, change the sign. This is negative 9, change the sign. X, Y, change the sign, change the sign. So the maximum value will be the y coordinate of the vertex, so maximum of 9 occurs on this one. And that's how you do it, like that.